Alright everyone, this is going to be a video of yet another Lasko 12-inch black and gray table fan. I acquired this fan for $5 and I think overall it was quite worth it. So the fan really just needed a cleaning, and the switch, there's a black and a red wire that basically go from the switch to the motor. And the problem was that the black wire was not connected well enough at all, and anytime it would oscillate, the wire would come loose and the fan would stop running. So luckily I was able to fix that quite easily, and now it works like new again. And another reason why I got it was, if you notice, this is just like the other one I have, but this one has the big and bold Lasko logo rather than the kind of more basic one that my newer one has. And I just figured, you know, it looks nice and I really do like the logo. And this one actually has a date code. This one was made in, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it says April of 2013. So it was made in, well, it says 4/13, so April 2013. And just like all the other Lasko fans that I've owned, they're the table fans at least, very quiet runner, but it moves a ton of air, especially for a modern fan. I would just prefer some more parts on it being metal, but then again, personal rant. It seems to hold up quite well, and yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it on low first. And I'm pretty sure this one was also purchased from Bed Bath & Beyond. I could be wrong, but I believe this fan was only sold at Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, here's medium. And here's high. Alright, and here's off. Yeah, so this was my $5 Lasko table fan. Thank you for watching.